Hi everyone, I just want to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is just a general vintage style junk journal. There's no real theme to it. There's just a lot of this, that and the other going on inside of it. So it's traveller's notebook size, which is just slightly wider than I would normally do it. I don't know why it came out that size, but it just did. So it's 5 across by 8 1/4 tall, has one signature. There are 92 pages front and back, and you can see here on the front, if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you might have seen I made this last week, and this was inspired by ARTYmaze, who is Andrea, and she had been doing cover toppers using cardboard and scraps and napkins and things like that. So this is what I done. So I've obviously used that for this journal. That is the back. It's cardstock, and it's sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock as well. Haven't put a closure on this one because I'm not noticing that not everyone is actually putting closures on, and I personally never put a closure on the ones that I do, unless it gets super chunky and it needs a closure to kind of hold it shut. So no closure. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I've got some fabric tabs here and some cardstock tabs. So let's go inside. So I've done some pockets just using the scraps left over from the cover, which is obviously that cardstock. So I've just done some pockets there. I've done some tags, and I'm calling these rustic tags because I kind of folded them and tore them at the sides so they're not like straight lined, just a little bit raggedy. So we've got the tab on here, some stamping, some stenciling, journal card and a library card there. This paper here is from Tsunami Rose, and I will link Tsunami Rose below. And here we have a Terri Woods double flip out pocket. Terri is also linked below as well. You can go over and watch how you make these. And I've just decorated that with a doily, a ticket. I thought I'd run out of them, but I keep finding like random ones in tubs and all sorts of things, so it kind of makes me smile. This is like a double layered butterfly with some bling on here. We have got another kind of rustic tag. There's some stamping on the page as well. We have some of this ephemera from Tsunami Rose. I can't remember who that's from, but I just kind of backed that onto some cardstock, inked it up. That goes in there. We have just a little, this is an index card that I've chopped up and made smaller little journal cards with. And that pops in there, and actually that goes in there as well, I think. Doesn't want to go in. Here we go. It's always while you're on camera, isn't it? And a little Tiffany & Co tag, which has been backed onto cardstock. We've got a doily. I've done some corner punching, paperback. Excuse me. This is from Tsunami Rose as well. This is from the old design shop. The jars here again are from Tsunami Rose, and I just done some trifold and popped them on there. The fabric, crocheted fabric tab. Another page from Tsunami Rose, and here I've just made a pocket. And if any of you follow G.I. Kerrs, she done this little flip out the other day, so I made one of them, and I'll definitely be making more of them. They were fun to do, and they're a nice little addition. So you've got a pocket there, you can do some journaling. I've left that one there as a pocket so you can tuck things in behind there. You can do some journaling on there, or add a small photo, again journaling or a photo. We've got a little pocket here, it says beautiful there, and then on the back that's how it is. Hope you can see all that. So I'll link that below as well, the tutorial for that, if you want to go over and give it a go. Some more corner punching, some ledger and inventory paper, more Tsunami Rose. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip up. Rita's linked below as well. Doily, a little heart, a butterfly and some bling. We have some ephemera here, some stamping in the background, another journaling card there, This is just a little flip open so you can journal on that and fold it all back up and pop it in there. A little envelope. This is from Nectar's Creations. Can't remember what, I think it might have been Cottage Lane, one of the Cottage Lane kits. So that was just already printed out, so I popped that in there. And then another one of these. Another doily, some corner punching, paper bag, things to do. That's from Tsunami Rose as well. This is from the old design shop. Another fabric, like a crocheted fabric tab, centre of the signature, lots of places to journal. The other side of the paper bag, another Rita Donnelly flip, again with the heart, the butterfly and the little piece of bling. We have some more like vintage ephemera, that's printables from Tsunami Rose. Another journaling card there, another flip there that you can write on, a tag that's from Nectar's Creations, as is this little journaling card. Just things that I had already printed out that I want to use up. Here we have a flip up and a flip down. You can write on that, or you could actually glue these two sides and make that a permanent pocket. It's a little pocket there. This is from, I think this is from Dreams Etc. One of the words on one of our kits. So I just used that and some cheesecloth there. I used some music paper to make that little pocket. We've got a doily, a double heart, a ticket, a butterfly, and then this eyelash trim. Well, there's another one of these kind of rusticy tags, just because I've ripped it at the side. And that's another one of these, which is an idea from Clemmy, who is Clemmy Creations. She is also linked below if you want to go over and see her journals and her tutorials on how she makes embellishments and pockets and things for journals. And another one of these, and that is from Tsunami Rose, which is from the Hummingbird collection. Pocket, doily, and then we have this double fold out pocket. Again, this is a Clemmy idea. Another journaling card, piece of ephemera that is just held closed with paper clip, and you've seen me do this a million times, but again this is a Terri Woods creation, and it's glued. However I managed to glue that, there we go, and that all folds up so you can do lots of journaling and fold it all back up, and it's like secret journaling. And that pops in there, 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 and that's that, and I've lost a paper clip, and there it is there. So that's the back page, another pocket there, and another tag, stenciling, stamping, another journal card, and another library card. So that is the journal. I will link everyone below. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.